Welcome to this lesson on while loops in Python. In this lesson, we'll learn how to implement and work with while loops, which allow you to repeat a block of code as long as a specified condition remains true. What is a while loop? A while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a given condition evaluates to true. This makes while loops ideal for situations where you don't know beforehand how many times a task should be repeated. Basic syntax of a while loop. The syntax of a while loop is simple. While condition, code to execute, while the condition is true. The loop will continue to run the code block as long as the condition is true. If the condition is false, the loop will stop. Examples of while loops. Example 1. Counting from 0 to 4. Here's a basic example that counts from 0 to 4. This loop will print the numbers from 0 to 4. Example 2. Looping until a condition is met. While loops can also be used for input validation. For instance, let's keep asking for a password until the user enters the correct one. The loop will continue until the correct password is entered. Example 3. Using break to exit the loop. You can use the break statement to exit the loop early. This will stop the loop when I reaches 5 and print stopped at 5. Example 4. Skipping iterations with continue. The continue statement allows you to skip the current iteration and continue to the next one. For example, we can print only even numbers. This loop will print only even numbers from 1 to 6. In this lesson, you learned the basics of while loops. These loops are especially useful when you don't know how many times you need to repeat an action. You also saw how to control the flow of loops using break and continue. In the upcoming lessons, we will dive into more complex scenarios and how to combine while loops with other programming concepts. Happy coding!